You spent 16 years in school. You learned calculus. You memorized the periodic table. You wrote essays on Shakespeare. But nobody, not one teacher, ever told you what to do when your salary hits your account. That's not an accident. That's a design flaw. Think about it. We know the formula for the area of a triangle, but we don't know what a mutual fund is. We can solve quadratic equations, but we can't read our own salary slip. And then we wonder why we're 30, earning decent money, and still living paycheck to paycheck. The system didn't fail you. It just never planned to teach you this. So here are 3 things school never taught you, but you needed to know yesterday. 1. Money needs a job. Every rupee that sits idle in your savings account is actually shrinking. Inflation is running at 6%. Your savings account gives you 3%. You do the math. Your money needs to work, not sleep. 2. Your income is not your wealth. Wealth is what you keep, not what you earn. A person making 50K and saving 10K is building more wealth than someone making 2 lakhs and spending 2.1 lakh. Income is a tool. Discipline is the skill. 3. Compound interest works both ways. It builds your investments, but it also destroys you through debt. That credit card you're casually rolling over, it's compounding against you at 36% a year. The same math that makes investors rich is making banks richer off of you. And the worst part? Nobody's coming to teach you this. Not your employer, not the government, not the bank that's very happy you don't understand interest rates. The only person who's going to fix this is you, right now, by choosing to learn. This channel exists because you have to know actual money tricks. Subscribe Synaptic Wealth, because your brain deserves better than broke.